Good afternoon, this is Mike.
Yeah.
Welcome to another job. We're at Sherry Watkins today. This is actually our second day. The first day was pretty boring. It was nothing but demoing an old waterfall. So what we have here, this is Sean Duffney's creation. We got two large stacked slate walls here, and then we have the small one in between. The old water feature, it was built up so high, they had a wooden bulkhead that pretty much reached the top of that fence line, and there was an issue going on, like the dog kept on jumping over into the yards and stuff and playing with all the other surrounding dogs. You can see back there, her neighbor over here actually built a wooden staircase for the dog to get back over. So it was this constant issue. So Sean came out here and addressed the height elevation of the old waterfall. He decided to bring it down, keep everything a little bit more low profile, which will prohibit the dog from jumping over. So back behind these walls, what we have our grade set just below this wall, like we would in any other kind of waterfall application. This is going to be a stream essentially behind us, and that medium sphere right there is going to give the appearance of that's where all the water is coming from. Now each one of these is going to be plumbed up, about 2,000 gallons per hour per each one. So the sphere here, that's going to be running as well, creating additional water streaming that's going to be coming over this small wall here, because that's the low edge between the two large walls. It's a really awesome design. Never done one like this before, so that's always fun, something new, something challenging, and just keeping our skills sharp. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll be making some good progress today. Tomorrow should be the last day, so everything will be turned on tomorrow. Stick around and watch Sean's wonderful water walls.
Water walls.
Water wall walls.
Water walls.
Oh boy. So, feels so awkward. Oh man. What Sean's working on, he cut up into this top part of the sphere, and he actually drilled in a hole to accept that 1 watt light right there. So with all that water just gurgling, pumping out of here, that he's lighting that part up. We haven't really done too much of that, so night shots will definitely be cool, and just the atmosphere that thing's going to give off at night is going to be super epic. Yeah.
Pretty much it.
That's it.
Hello. Oh, you are so soft. Yeah.
Yep, so we found the new the truck pet.
I just need to figure out accommodations for it.
Yeah, I figured he'll take care of any pests I get in the 750. we're towards the end of day 3 here at Sherry Watkins. You can see everything's turned on, everything's flowing real nice. Got the boys here putting the final touches on it. Brian's adding a little bit more dirt behind our retaining rock just to elevate that left side a little bit. Chris is putting the cherry on top of the landscape, doing a little mulching. Now, as you can see from the before pictures, how drastically we changed this space. We got height from the simple elevation change and then the height of the sphere. So there's not a big rock volcano waterfall, but more of a contemporary fountainscape. And that's really what the goal was just to freshen things up. There was nothing wrong with the old water feature. It ran like a champ, and it had some nice sound to it. But Sherry was sick of it. She wanted to jazz it up a little bit. She wanted to get something a little bit more contemporary. So one little aspect of design that we kind of pulled out of the hat late yesterday was the shape of her patio. It was squared off. It came through here. The old one did. And when we were stepping back looking at this nice, radius that these walls are making, we have a lot of just smooth transitions and rounded features on this job. I had the idea to go ahead and cut, kind of mimicking that radius, flip it over this way. It gave us a little bit more area for the splash. We're able to catch more of the water that's hitting off the rocks. It just looks wonderful. It complements it really well. We pulled it off once again, and we're just kind of on the cleanup phase right now.